Is your skin routine in need of a simple upgrade? Let's find out which cleanser, Simple or Cetaphil, reigns supreme. First up, Simple Micellar Cleansing Water. It's lightweight, perfect for removing makeup and surface impurities. Just saturate a cotton pad and gently swipe across your face, no rinsing needed. The magic lies in its micelles, tiny cleansing molecules that lift away dirt. Simple's also great for sensitive skin, boasting a fragrance-free and non-comedogenic formula. Now, let's dive into Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This classic is a creamy, hydrating formula that's ideal for dry or sensitive skin. To use Cetaphil, simply apply a small amount to your face, massage gently, and rinse with water. Alternatively, you can wipe it off with a soft cloth. So, which is better? Simple is excellent for a quick, no-rinse cleanse, especially for oily or combination skin. Cetaphil provides deeper hydration, making it perfect for drier skin. Ultimately, the best cleanser depends on your skin type and preferences. Consider trying both to see which one works best for you.